Alright, y'all, just pop the hood. I'm about to disconnect the battery. That way airbag don't blow up in my face, and then we do the rest. Oh, that was mad easy. So that's what I'm calling you. Alright, got this out. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. This is mad scary. Like, taking the airbag out. Boy, this flathead ain't trying to get under here. This man just giving it up on my camera. Alright, now it's a 17mm bolt right here. Just gotta get this joint off. Hold this for me again. I got a cameraman today, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, pretty boy Fredo be paying him a leap. I feel like I'm tightening. Like a dumbass. There we go. Had to put you back into it. Yeah. Be telling you not to. Cause you take this off and you try to snap the steering wheel, you just smack yourself in the face with this. So you gotta leave the junk up there a little bit.
Don't break your nose.
There we go. Yes, sir. See, that's how you do it. Then you go ahead, take this rest of the way off. Which, don't drop it in there like I did. And it will come right off, but you just gotta save this junk. Feel me? That right there. Yeah, we back. It is the next day. Today is Tuesday. My package said it was out for delivery at 8:59 this morning, and right now it is 12:06. So yeah, I'm sitting outside like a crackhead waiting on my package. A lot of people make it seem a lot harder than it really is. It's really not hard as long as you just pay attention. So I just clipped it back in real quick, the airbag. So I'm gonna just show y'all how to get it out. And when I was taking this out yesterday, what I did realize was a lot of times, at least from the videos and stuff that I've seen, a lot of people put it in there and they like try to push it this way, when literally if you turn the flathead screwdriver this way, it'll push right on it and it'll pop out. And you push it, it'll pop out just like that. Super easy. It's really not hard to get the airbag out, to be honest. I think you can do this without disconnecting the battery, because the odds of the airbag going off in your face is not really that high. I didn't break my clock spring, which is a really good thing, because I see a lot of people do that on an accident. So yeah, I didn't break my clock spring. So as y'all probably just seen, it did just get here, and it did come in this box. The box is actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Let me not cut too deep in here. Talking about brown paper, of course. And then let me show y'all real quick. Does come all in 3 different boxes, so I don't know which one is which yet. I would assume this is the hub, because that's kind of heavy. Oh no, this one is heavier. This definitely is the hub. And then the actual wheel itself. I think this is, nope, this is the hub. Airbag resistors. Thank you. Yes. I was so worried that it wasn't gonna come with airbag resistors, so now I don't have to worry about those lights being on. Get the purple hub, and oh my god, in person this looks crazy. This one, and all the screws and everything that does come with it. I'm gonna leave each of these in the box that it goes. And y'all see right here, did get the purple and black quick release. This is the spline, I believe that's how you say it. Whew, man. Okay, so before we even get into it, oh, it came with an air freshener. Oh, and yep, it actually does come with this horn adapter that I can put in the middle. See this? I ain't even see it yet, and I can feel it, and oh my god. Yo, it feels like Christmas. Oh my god. It's like perfect. Like super perfect. D&D, appreciate you for making really good products. Hopefully I can work with y'all one day. Hopefully speak into existence, you feel me? But look, we about to go ahead and get this install started because I'm excited. So I basically just did some real quick thinking in general. I am gonna do the horn. I'm just not gonna do it today because I just want the wheel put on, and I don't want to have to be like, I want to get the video done, and I also want to enjoy the wheel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and feed these clock spring wires through the D&D hub, and then once I do that, I'll do the horn later, and I'll actually do it in a separate video. And then we just gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna try to not move my clock spring as much as possible, while also, alright, I finally got it on. I do have the D&D at the top, as y'all can see. I did keep the bolt from when I took the OEM steering wheel off. D&D did a really good job of making the logos just like a good reference. So you do see at the top of the spline quick release, you do have the D&D, and then on top of the hub you have the D&D. So make sure that lines up. Y'all see it's like a little star pattern, and then go ahead and start installing the hardware that they gave you. Y'all see I did get the hardware on. None of these are tight. It does come with Allen key. I did just get this tightened down. It does come with 2 Allen keys right here. So one is obviously for this, for the actual quick release, and the other one is to connect the small hardware from the steering wheel to this part right here, which is what we about to do right now. Oh my god, this is the hardest mod that I've done so far. Let me give you an outside view of it. It was like wobbling a little bit the whole time. I just didn't have it all the way in the quick release. So this is actually what it looked like. That's how far it sticks out. Not super far. I actually don't sit this close, so I really don't even know why my chair is like this. But oh my god, this just looks so good. Like, it looks so much better. So much better than the stock steering wheel, which I do still have in the back. But wow, this is like crazy. If y'all knew how long I've been waiting for this, y'all would understand why I'm so happy right now. Cause dude, this is nuts. I gotta go for a drive. Alright, so boom. Basically, what happened is, yes, I know I've been doing YouTube for a little bit of time now, and yes, I still forget to turn my mic on, which is what happened in this instance right here. So you're looking at me talking like an idiot, and you guys can't hear me. But y'all know the outro. Thank y'all for coming through. Follow me on Instagram at Kiso with 2 O's. I'll make sure I put it on the screen. Stay tuned for more videos that are getting ready to drop, because I do got a lot of mods that I have still not posted yet, and they're getting ready to go up. Now I do have another adapter. So like I said, thank y'all for coming through, and I'm going to see y'all soon.